Gaming back at NBA Live Mobile. Today, they released this new event which is holiday or maybe Christmas. So as you can see here, it's named Polar Blitz and it says make all slots in I mean shots in this drill to get a holiday present. Also, they got this 1 year playing event. Maybe it's like the countdown or the tip off. I don't know if it's tip off or countdown. So like that, and you can get an elite player. I don't know. Also in this set, um, you get free jersey every day, and you can put them in these sets. Oh, also they got this holiday presents. When it's time to open a present, its set will appear in this row. Oh, that's nice. Also, I've done this too, and I don't know what they do. So, let's open that later. Also, the team of the week player for this week is John Wall and Clay Thompson. But the set team of the week player is John Wall. So let me buy 4 of these. Two and 3. So let's go right ahead in this set. Um, let me open the presents first. It opens on Christmas. Oh, it have different days, so that's good. In this holiday tip-off pack, it has their 3 jerseys, I think, and 2 collectibles or 2 or better players. I don't know. So there's a present and there's a jersey. Oh, first pack get an elite, guys. Nice. Dang, this jersey is looking good. I love it. So at the second pack, Boston. Oh, Cubs. Nice, nice. So I really don't know what is there or what do these presents do. So let's look at these collectibles. Quick gift, gift certificate, thoughtful gift. The right gift. What's that? Sorry, guys. Odd 100 Christmas jerseys from special holiday live events and packs turning exclusive present to help you play at an elite level. Whoa, that's nice. But I'm not going to do that yet. So that guys, so this is Capo Gaming saying ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Goodbye.